students, today I Priya Rohira welcome you all once again in my today's lecture that is based on chapter 1 Python Pandas according to book Sumita Arora class 12th IP. In this lecture I am going to cover skip rows, end rows, SAP attribute in read CSV method. My first topic is specifying skip row attributes. In some situations, a CSV file containing column headers and we want to give our own column headings. In this case, we need to use skip row attributes. Have a look on the example. Here I have created a data frame using read CSV method. This is my file path and here I had specify my own columns. मैंने यहाँ पे अपने खुद के columns लिए हैं, column 1, column 2 and column 3. This is my CSV. And in this you can see that these are my column headings, that is English, Hindi, Maths, and when you will get the output you will see that my zeroth row column heading will become zeroth row. Here you can see that English, Hindi, Maths, that is my zeroth row will become here my zeroth row, but I don't want that because I had given my own columns. मैंने यहाँ पे अपने खुद के columns दिए हैं. मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये सीधे first row से आपके डेटा फ्रेम में मेंशन होना चाहिए. For that I'll use, just have a look on the syntax, pd.readcsv. Here you will give the file path and here you will specify skip row equal n. Here n specify the number of rows that is to be skipped. I took an example. This is my file path, this is my own column names and skip row equal 1. That means I want to skip top 1 row. This is my data frame. And when you will see the output, you can see that column headings row is skipped. English, Hindi, Maths was my top row and this was skipped in my data frame. So you can use skip row attribute to skip 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows. From the top, it's your choice. Have a look at some more example. Here, if you will mention like that, skip rows 1 or skip row 2s, it means that you want to skip top 1 row or top 2 rows according to your choice. But if you have mentioned like this, 1 in the square bracket, that means it will remove the first row. 0th row is column heading and first row is 10, 12, 23. So, it's different that you are giving 1 in without square bracket and you are giving 1 in square bracket. So here it will take the position of the row. The same if you have given 0, 1, that means ये 0th row और first row को remove करेगा. That is English, Hindi, Maths my 0th row and 10, 12, 23 will be my first row. So it will skip these both rows 0 and 1. So it's your choice whether you are giving like this or you are giving in the square bracket. I want to make clear the difference between these two, that's why I have taken this extra examples. My next topic is specifying end row attributes. To read specify number of rows from CSV, end rows attribute will be used. अगर आपको CSV की सारी rows use नहीं करनी है, आपको कुछ particular rows ही उसमें use करनी है, then you will specify end rows attribute. Have a look on the example. अगर मैंने यहाँ पे ये CSV का path दिया है और मैंने mention किया है n rows equal to, that means आप उस CSV की सिर्फ top 2 rows use करना चाहते हो. See, this is my CSV and when you will see the output, you can see that only 2 rows are included in my data frame. Here column heading will not be included. यहाँ ये first row इसको मान रहा है, second row इसको, that means n rows, that means this one and this one row. ये 3 हो सकती है, 4 हो सकती है अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस. सो आपने नोटिस किया ये लास्ट की दोनों रोज मेरी आउटपुट में नहीं है. स्पेसिफाइंग SAP attribute. SAP means separator. Some CSV files are created by using separator other than comma like semicolon, pipe or tab. To read data from such CSV file, we need to use an additional attribute SAP as SAP equals separator character. If you skip the attribute, then default separator character comma is considered. कई बार हम अपनी CSV फाइल जब बनाते हैं तो हम उसमें कॉमा यूज़ नहीं करते, हम उसमें सेमीकोलन, पाइप, टैब ये वाले सिंबल्स यूज़ करते हैं. इस सिचुएशन में हमें SAP एट्रीब्यूट के थ्रू बताना होता है कि हमारी CSV फाइल में सेपरेटर हमने क्या यूज़ किया है. हैव अ लुक. यहाँ पे आपने अपना पाथ दिया एंड आप बता रहे हैं कि इस CSV में separator is used as semicolon. This is my CSV. Here you can see that in place of comma, semicolon as a separator has been used, and when you will see the output, you can see your output as in data frame. Summarizing read CSV, हमने read CSV में क्या क्या चीज़ें स्टडी करी है. pd.read.csv सबसे पहले हम फाइल पाथ देते हैं. After then we have given separator to give the separator character, names to specify our own column names, header if we don't want header we had used none, and skip rows and end rows. Here I have summarized my all the attributes. Alright students, I hope all the topics that I had covered today quite clear to you. Still students, if you are having any doubt in IP or any doubt in today's lecture, you can mention your doubts, your queries in comment section. Thank you so much once again for watching my video.